Welcome from my tourism Pathshala. It will transform your dream into reality. Good morning, all of my tourism and travel management and tourism administration and management aspirant student of UGC NET and JRF. This is our Mega PYQ previous year question paper analysis series. This question paper is based on October 2022 unit. This question has been selected from unit 7 important question of unit 7. This unit is based on tourism and travel marketing. The question number 27, which of the following is which of the following is not among the four level of competition? Number 1, all companies that offer similar product and services to the same customer at a similar price. Number 2, all companies is right. Number 2, all companies making the same product or class of product, right. All companies supplying the same services is right. Our question is not among the four level of competition. All companies that have a similar distribution system. This statement is wrong. So option number 4 is the correct. Our next question number 28. This question is based on price rate comparison. The price rate dash occurs when higher price hotel occurs when higher price hotels lower the rate to maintain occupancy and became direct competitors to lower rate hotel. The correct option, first option, price rate compression occurs when higher price hotel lower the rate to maintain occupancy and become direct competitors to lower rated hotel. Next question number 29. This question is based on psychographic segmentation. Market segmentation based on dash and dash is called psychographic segmentation. The 4 option, attitude, perception, motivation. Number 1. Number 2, attitude, interest and opinion. Number 3, perception, personality and motivation. Number 4, motivation, interest, opinion. Under this 4, the correct option is 2, attitude, interest and opinion. Now I give the explanation. Psychographic segmentation. What is psychographic segmentation? The psychographic segmentation is defined as a market segmentation technique where groups are formed according to psychological trait that influence consumption habit drawn from person's lifestyle and preference. Second, any organization which intend to understand their consumer thought process can divide their target market according to this segmentation method. The conducting psychographic market segmentation is a critical, analytical task for business development and thus need a special attention. Every individual has varied demand and opinion. So there are 5 psychographic segmentation variables on the basis of which homogeneous segment can be prepared for proper research: personality, lifestyle, social status and AIO means activities, interest, opinion and attitude. So AIO, attitude, interest and opinion is the correct option. Now our next question number 30. This question is based on opportunity cost. At individual level, consumers have limited income and if they spend their income on mountain bike, they can consider what else they could have bought with money, such as an air ticket. This is the example of. There are 4 types of cost: explicit cost, social marginal cost, semi-variable cost and opportunity cost. The correct answer is the opportunity cost. Why? When you choose one option, you eliminate other possibility. You cannot choose all option. You eliminate other possibility. An opportunity cost or trade-off is what is given up when making one choice instead of another. Is what is given when making one choice instead of another. So this is the opportunity cost is the correct option. Our next question, question number 44. This question is based on augmented product. The assertion reasoning based question, they have given the two statement. The statement 1 assertion, the augmented product. First of all, you have to understand what is augmented product. What do you mean by augmented product? Augmented product means which has a additional features or services. The augmented product combine what is offered with how it is delivered. Because guests come to the service, atmosphere is an important part of the product. Assertion. Reason, the augmented product capture the key element that must be managed when the customers come to the service factory. So both A and R correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. The first why is not correct, because augmented product provide the additional features and services. Atmosphere is the important part is the correct. But augmented product capture the key element that must be managed when the customers come to the service factory. This is not the correct explanation of assertion, above assertion. So both are right but not a correct explanation. So option number 2 is the correct. So unit 7, each and every classes I have told you and repeatedly I mentioned to you that the syllabus analysis parallelly study the syllabus preparation with this question paper is very effective tool and effective method to achieve successfully our goal of GRF or lecturership in tourism administration and management. So keep touch and send your queries in inbox. And next time I will discuss the next topic of unit 8. So thank you.